afternoon, tutor. My name is Karen Sofia Lopez, a student of the Bachelor's Program in Children Pedagogy, SEAD Facatativa. And today I come to tell about a stone of the Tunjo Archaeology Park. The place of interest in Facatativa are the Tunjo stones. How can you head there? Walking from the center of the municipality, heading north will take 20 minutes. By taxi, 10 minutes. We can use dotere. You can climb gigant rocks, learn the story of our ancestors, and enjoy the outdoors. What kind of food can you eat? You can enter snack packs or nets the larger, like you will find a cafeteria with a wide variety. It is a family place to read. You can also come with your friends to play sports and connect with nature. Come on and see this wonderful place. Come share time with your family and enjoy the food. Located in Facatativá, Cundinamarca. Thank you.